Hello, young science enthusiasts. Today, we're setting off on an extraordinary adventure to uncover the secrets of two of nature's most fascinating phenomena, snow and rain. Prepare to be amazed as we delve into this exciting chapter of our planet's weather story. The enchantment of snowflakes. Imagine high up in the sky, inside cold, fluffy clouds, a magical transformation occurs. Water vapor, which is just water in its gas form, begins to cool down. As it cools, it changes into tiny ice crystals. Each of these tiny ice crystals is a snowflake, and incredibly, no two snowflakes are exactly the same. They're like nature's own unique designs, each one intricately detailed. As these snowflakes begin their descent to Earth, they join together in a gentle dance, swirling and twirling through the air. When they finally land, they create a beautiful, sparkling white blanket that covers everything it touches. This snowy blanket turns the world into a winter wonderland, perfect for building snowmen, having snowball fights and making snow angels. But remember to wear your warmest coat, hat and gloves. It's chilly in this snowy paradise. The wonders of rain. Now, let's dive into the story of rain. Rain starts its journey with the help of the sun, which heats up water from oceans, lakes, and rivers. This water turns into vapor and rises up into the sky, forming clouds. When these clouds become heavy, they can't hold the water anymore, and it falls back to Earth as raindrops. Think of the clouds as giant sponges soaking up water. When they get too full, they squeeze out the water, and down comes the rain. Rain is essential for life. It waters plants, fills rivers, and provides us with fresh water to drink. And there's something magical that often happens after a good rain shower, a beautiful rainbow. These rainbows add a splash of color to the sky, creating a natural masterpiece for us to admire. Snow and rain are Earth's way of sharing its natural beauty and sustaining life. While snow brings a quiet, serene beauty, transforming landscapes into winter wonderlands, rain brings energy and life, quenching the Earth's thirst and nurturing life in all its forms. So next time you see snowflakes gently falling or hear the rhythmic patter of raindrops, know that you're witnessing the Earth's incredible weather dance, a dance that sustains and beautifies our planet in endless ways. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the skies in weather wonders. If you're as intrigued by these natural phenomena as we are, don't forget to subscribe for more episodes. Keep exploring, stay curious, and continue to marvel at the amazing world of weather around us.